Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Gap credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser in order to get started. In the search box at the top, type in Gap credit card login and press enter. In the next page, you'll be able to see the search results displayed according to your search. Click on this first link that you see that says check icon dash Synchrony. Your Gap credit card is issued by Synchrony Bank, so click on that link over there and you'll be taken to your next page. This is where you enter your user ID and your password in order to get login access to your account. Start by entering your user ID in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon or the show link. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, make sure to check this box over here before logging in. But if you're using a public computer or a shared mobile device, make sure to leave this box unchecked before moving on. If you've forgotten your user ID during the process and you don't know what to do next, you can click on this I forgot my user ID link in order to look for it. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on this password link and follow through. Finally, after entering all of your credentials correct, click on the Secure Login button in blue and you'll be logged into your Gap credit card account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to manage your credit card on the go, securely access your account informations wherever you are or whenever you want. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.